What's going on, you guys? Chris Williams, REI here. I just heard something crazy that I have not yet checked out myself. I am stoked. I'm super pumped. I'm gonna see if it's real. Crazy, I use PropStream every single day and I have not noticed this, but I think it's there. So I have heard that PropStream now has deceased owners, maybe pre-probate, probate, something like that, something along the lines of probate. That would be absolutely game changer, killer. Now I know I say a lot of things are game changer, and realistically a lot of things are game changer, but if you can get probate or pre-probate straight from PropStream, that would absolutely be killer. So I'm gonna stream record, I'm gonna go to PropStream, we're gonna check this out to see what's going on here. Let's go. So here I am, my county. Filter, what do you know? Right there, deceased owners, pre-probate. I'm not gonna check any filters right now. I'm just looking to see, is this accurate? This property, I know this is listed. I think somebody sent it to me. Let's check this out, okay? Petra D. Martinez. That's the same address. Ooh. I don't know if this is just beginner's luck. Beginners isn't just the first time I'm searching it. But I literally just found this person's obituary that PropStream says is deceased. How they do that, I don't know. It's a little scary, but it looks like so far it's probably accurate. I mean, here, unfortunately, passed away this year. Wow. Almost 100 years old. That is amazing. Look at this, Sally Tovar. Didn't I just see someone named Tovar? Sally J. Tovar. Wow, this is it. Petra Martinez. And then I can come over here to... That's probably myself or one of my agents or somebody. Probably could have looked this up already. I think I'll look this up. I'd love to look to see if people have other properties they're looking to sell. I am not a robot. Here I'm using Skip Genie. Link in the description. PropStream link in the description too. Wow, look at this, even Skip Genie says this person is deceased at 99 years old. There's the address, possible landlines. Of course, this is listed, so I'm not going to call them. Henry Martinez, there's that Sally. Wow, okay. I don't know if that's just beginner's luck, finding the first property that it shows, but think about how powerful that is, that PropStream can now show you owners who are deceased. Now you can pursue either their spouses, next of kin, people who might be inheriting these properties, people who might need to go through probate. That is super, super powerful. Probate, pre-probate, inherited. This is a phenomenal list. It is a phenomenal seller type to pursue. And here on PropStream, you have it right at the click of your fingers. Go check it out in your market. See if it's accurate. You know, I'm going to comb through this, and this is probably going to be a new list that I pursue every day now. Maybe I don't want to make this video, right? Maybe I don't want to let my competitors know, but it's whatever. I like my competitors. I have a lot of friends here. So anyways, if you don't have PropStream, get the 7-day free trial below. If you do, check out the pre-probate in your market and let me know if it's accurate for your city. Again, I'm going to comb through this market and a couple other markets that I do marketing in, and I'm going to see how good it is, and I'm going to start pursuing these properties every day. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. It tells me that you want more videos, more deep dives, more interviews. Go check out some of the other interviews I've done as well. I'll see you next time.